Welcome to MoneyFlow Labs, where we test real strategies for building wealth at any age. I'm your host, and if you're new here, we specialize in giving you honest, no-nonsense advice about making money from home. Today, we're diving into the absolute best side hustles for 2025, strategies that are working right now and will continue to work throughout the year. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another side hustle video? Really? But here's the thing. 2025 is different. The economy has shifted, technology has evolved, and new opportunities have emerged that didn't exist even 2 years ago. I've spent the last 3 months researching, testing, and analyzing dozens of side hustles to bring you only the ones that are actually generating real income for real people. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 proven side hustles you can start this week with little to no upfront investment. Some of these can generate your first $100 within days. Others can scale to replace your full-time income within a year. The choice is yours, but the opportunities are real. Let's start with something that's absolutely exploding right now: virtual assistants for online businesses. Now, I'm not talking about the old school virtual assistant work where you're answering emails for $5 an hour. I'm talking about specialized virtual assistants that pays between $30 and $75 per hour. Here's what's happening. Millions of online businesses launched during the pandemic. And now, these business owners are drowning in tasks they don't have time for. The opportunities I'm seeing are incredible. Social media management for small businesses, posting content, engaging with followers, analyzing metrics. Business owners are paying between $800 and $2,000 per month for this service. Email marketing management, setting up automated sequences, writing newsletters, managing subscriber lists. This pays between $500 and $1,500 monthly per client. Customer service chat support, handling inquiries, processing orders, managing returns. Many businesses pay between $15 and $30 per hour for quality chat support. What makes this different from traditional virtual assistant work is specialization. Instead of being a general assistant doing random tasks, you become an expert in one area. I know someone who specializes only in Pinterest management for online stores. She manages Pinterest accounts for 12 different businesses and makes $4,800 monthly, working 20 hours per week. Another person I know focuses only on customer service chat for subscription box companies. He works with 6 companies and earns $3,200 monthly. The best part? You don't need years of experience to get started. Most of these skills can be learned through free YouTube tutorials and practice accounts in a few weeks. The key is picking one specialization and getting really good at it, rather than trying to be everything to everyone. Moving on to our second opportunity. Content creation services with a twist. Everyone's talking about AI replacing content creators, but here's what's actually happening. Businesses need more content than ever, but they want content that sounds human and connects with real people. This creates a massive opportunity for humans who can create authentic, engaging content. I'm seeing huge demand for short-form video scripts. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Every business wants to be on these platforms, but most business owners have no idea how to write scripts that actually engage viewers. Good script writers are charging between $50 and $200 per script, and I know creators writing 10 to 15 scripts per week. Email newsletter writing is another goldmine. Businesses know they need email lists, but writing weekly newsletters is time-consuming. Newsletter writers are charging between $100 to $500 per newsletter, depending on the client and list size. Blog post writing with SEO optimization is still in high demand. Not AI-generated fluff, but well-researched, engaging blog posts that actually rank in Google. Quality blog posts are selling for anywhere from $100 to $800 each. Product description writing for e-commerce stores is booming. With millions of new products launching on Amazon, Shopify stores, and other platforms, there's endless demand for compelling product descriptions. Good product description writers charge between $10 and $50 per description. The secret to succeeding in content creation services is developing a signature style and focusing on specific industries. Don't try to write for everyone. Pick an industry you understand: fitness, finance, technology, home improvement, and become the go-to content creator for businesses in that space. Our third opportunity is something I call local service arbitrage. This is where you become the middleman between customers who need services and service providers who need customers. You're not doing the actual work. You're connecting people and taking a commission. This works incredibly well in 2025 because local search is more competitive than ever. When customers contact you, you pass the leads to pre-qualified service providers and take a percentage of the job. I know someone doing this with house cleaning services. She created a simple website called Springfield House Cleaning Pros that ranks #1 on Google for house cleaning searches in her city. She doesn't clean houses herself. She has agreements with 8 different cleaning companies. When customers book through her site, she sends the job to whichever cleaner has availability and takes 20% of the booking fee. She's making between $3,000 and $5,000 monthly just connecting customers with cleaners. Another person I know does this with home tutoring. He created Math Tutor Connect in his city and partners with 15 different math tutors. Parents book tutoring sessions through his platform. He handles scheduling and payments and takes 15% of each session. He's earning about $2,800 monthly, working maybe 10 hours per week. The beauty of this model is scalability. Once you have the system set up and good service provider relationships, you can expand to multiple cities or multiple service types. Some people are running dozens of these local service connection businesses across different markets. Let's talk about our fourth opportunity: digital product creation for specific problems. Now, I'm not talking about generic courses or ebooks that get lost in the noise. I'm talking about highly specific digital solutions for very specific problems that people are willing to pay to solve. The opportunities I'm seeing are fascinating. Notion templates for specific professions: real estate agents, fitness trainers, freelancers, small business owners. Well-designed Notion templates are selling for anywhere from $15 to $150 each. Spreadsheet tools for specific business needs: inventory tracking, client management, financial planning. Complex Excel or Google Sheets tools can sell for $50 to $300 each. Digital planners and organizers for specific lifestyles: homeschool parents, college students, working mothers, retirees. These are selling like crazy on Etsy and other platforms for anywhere from $5 to $50 each. Stock photography for specific niches. Many photographers are making thousands monthly selling specialized stock photos that aren't available elsewhere. Online mini courses solving very specific problems, not broad topics like how to make money online, but specific solutions like how to negotiate with insurance companies after a car accident, or how to set up accounting systems for Etsy sellers. These focused courses sell for anywhere from $50 to $500. The key to success with digital products is solving a problem that people are actively searching for solutions to. Don't create products based on what you think people want. Research what they're already trying to buy and create better versions of existing solutions. Our fifth opportunity is something that's gained massive momentum in 2025: remote customer success and onboarding services. As more businesses go digital, they're struggling with customer retention and making sure new customers actually get value from their products or services. This creates opportunities for people who can help businesses keep their customers happy and engaged. Customer success specialists help software companies, online course creators, and subscription services ensure their customers are successful with their products. This involves reaching out to new customers, providing guidance, answering questions, and identifying potential problems before customers cancel. Good customer success specialists are earning between $40 and $80 per hour, and many work with multiple companies. Onboarding specialists help businesses create smooth experiences for new customers. This might involve creating welcome sequences, conducting orientation calls, or developing tutorial content. Businesses pay well for this because good onboarding dramatically reduces customer churn. I know onboarding specialists earning between $2,000 and $6,000 per month per client. Community management for online businesses is another huge opportunity. Many businesses have Facebook groups, Discord servers, or other online communities that need daily management. Community managers facilitate discussions, answer questions, organize events, and keep members engaged. This pays anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000 monthly per community, depending on size and engagement requirements. What I love about these roles is that they're relationship-focused, which makes them harder to automate or outsource to low-cost providers. Businesses need people who understand their customers and can provide genuine help and support. Let's discuss our sixth opportunity: specialized consulting and coaching. Now, before you say you don't have expertise to consult or coach, hear me out. You don't need to be the world's leading expert to help people who are a few steps behind you in their journey. If you've successfully solved a problem that others are facing, you can help them solve it too. The consulting opportunities I'm seeing are incredible. Small business operations consulting, helping local businesses streamline their processes, improve efficiency, or implement new systems. This pays between $75 and $200 per hour. Technology integration consulting, helping businesses implement new software, migrate data, or optimize their tech stack. Tech consultants are charging between $100 and $300 per hour. Personal finance coaching for specific situations, debt payoff, home buying preparation, retirement planning for specific professions. Financial coaches are earning between $50 and $150 per session, with many booking 10 to 20 sessions per week. Career transition coaching, helping people change careers, negotiate salaries, or start businesses. The biggest mistake I see people make is jumping from opportunity to opportunity without giving any single method time to work. Pick one side hustle and commit to it for at least 90 days before considering anything else. Third, always lead with value. Every successful side hustle is ultimately about solving problems for other people. The more valuable the problems you solve, the more money you can charge. Don't focus on what you can get. Focus on what you can give. The opportunities in 2025 are incredible, but they require action. Economic uncertainty creates opportunities for people willing to work. Remote work trends create opportunities for location-independent services. Technology advances create opportunities for specialized human skills. Which opportunity resonates most with you? Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle you're going to start first. I read every comment and often reply with specific advice for your situation. If this video helped you see new possibilities for 2025, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell.